before I start demolishing this, just wanted to give you guys a reminder that this is the ICECO cooler that I've had for 4 years already. And this is where I have it normally. Now, the one that they sent me, ICECO sent me, is a lot bigger than this. So I have to find somewhere else to put the new cooler. But for now, I'm going to remove this one, put it inside the house. And tomorrow, I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to put the bigger one. This, I'm probably going to have to take it down. But all this area, I'm going to have to probably take it out. So that's the plan right now. So I just emptied it out right now, and I disconnected it, and we're gonna pull it out and take it inside the house and connect and put my food in there again till we decide where I'm gonna put the new one at. Are you gonna charge me?
You have been on camera already. A little late to ask now.
A little late. It's part of hanging around with the YouTuber, Billy.
Yeah.
Gotta be prepared to be on camera all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta be prepared.
Yeah.
Gotta be prepared.
Alright, so basically what Billy is doing here, he is measuring this refrigerator, because remember I told you guys this one's a lot longer. So we're gonna place it, and it's gonna fit a little bit. It's a little bit bigger on the sides, but with the little side holders, it's gonna be perfect. Huzzah! The fun thing about this refrigerator that it opens both ways. I left it on all night so it can get cold. So now I can put my stuff from my other refrigerator in here. I love that it snaps. I don't have to worry about that. I always leave it unlocked with the clips. So I love this more. I have them set at 28 each, which is pretty low. So let's change it. Oh. See, in the other one, I had to push mode to change it, but I guess on this one, I don't. So the freezer side, I like to keep it at 18. Oh, I skipped it. Okay, 17 then. This one, we can keep it at 32 or 33. I don't want my veggies to freeze. So that's usually how I like to keep it. Now, this is in max, but I rather have it on eco. There we go. We'll leave it like that. So super easy, self-explanatory to use the box here. This is the part that my friend Billy is making for me. Just another table so I can set this on top of there now, because I used to have this up here. But now this is the home of my ICECO. So much easier, and it has a lot more airflow from the window. And then down here is a kitty crate, as you know. I love it. Thank you, ICECO, for sending me this amazing refrigerator and freezer. Oh, I can't wait to fill it. The company ICECO specializes in producing high-quality car refrigerators for over 17 years. Their refrigerators use C-cup compressors with adequate quality assurance. The refrigerators are known for their durability, energy efficiency, low noise, and portability features, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts like yourself. I wanted to let you guys know that ICECO is really good at their warranty and return policy. They do offer you, as soon as you purchase your product, you get 30 days refund guaranteed upon receiving. You also get a 5 years warranty on the compressor and a 1 year warranty for other parts or accessories. Personally, I've had my other refrigerator for 4 years in my bus, and it did go out on me once. And I reached out to the company, and their customer service was great. They were really informative. They helped me try to figure out what was wrong with my refrigerator then, but it ended up being that the compressor went out, so they ended up sending me a brand new replacement within 2 days. Super happy about their customer service.